out here doing some first cutting. Got the new to me 1340 Hesston running back there. I'll show you in a minute. And running the running my new GPS setup here. I'll show you that in a minute. So things are going good. Just learning how this stuff works.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. Please hit the subscribe button as well as the little bell to receive notifications when more of my videos are available to watch.
So you can see here we're almost to the end of the headland there. So I'll I don't know if you could hear that beep go, but that indicated the auto steer was disengaged because I moved the steering wheel. And we'll go in for another one here. Still trying to figure out how to get this auto steer set up to work correctly on a pivot. So you can see back there. Going. It's good to be getting some hay cut. And tell you what, this going from a disc, from a sickle mower to this disc mower is something else. I mean, I've been going 7.5 miles an hour, and it doesn't look any different than if I'm going 3. So I'm pretty excited about that. Sorry, got a lot going on here. Should have videoed this when I was on some longer rows, but I didn't. So yeah, we'll get her running back there and we're going about 7.5 miles an hour. exciting stuff. I'm gonna let you go because I turned the AC off so the fan wouldn't make a bunch of noise, and I am getting hot because it's about 90 out today. Probably one of the hottest days we've had so far, so good day to cut, but not a great day to run with the AC off. Alright, thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, comment. Appreciate it. Have a great day.